So, you found yourself in a sticky situation that requires hiring an attorney to protect your rights and your state of mind. The right lawyer for your situation will be able to help you navigate through legal situations that may have unforeseen consequences, or help you reach the outcome you desire. You should always do your own research before hiring an attorney to determine if they are reputable. You can also get a glimpse into how they would potentially handle your case. If you are asking yourself, how do I check a lawyer's reputation? Or how do you find a lawyer's success rate? You are in the right place. Continue to learn how to check out the reputation of a potential attorney before paying a retainer or signing an agreement. First, ask for recommendations. One of the first things you should do is ask your friends, family, colleagues for their personal recommendations for lawyers that they've had success working with. Their recommendation will either point you in the direction of someone who can help you, or inform you of someone that you should avoid working with. Make sure that you do your research with these recommendations, because what works for someone else might not work for you. Once you have a list of lawyers, you can start looking into their backgrounds, licenses, etc., to make sure they are a reputable source of legal aid. Second, check the State Bar Association. Lawyers have to be licensed through the American Bar Association in the state where they practice law. Through the State Bar Association, you can research any disciplinary actions they might have against them. These actions may stem from ethical violations such as failing to pay bar dues, misappropriating client funds, or others. You will also be able to see whether or not they are still legally allowed to practice law in your area. If you can't confirm that a lawyer is a part of the local state bar, it's not a good sign that they are reputable. Third, look at attorney reviews. Yelp, Google, and American Top Attorneys are good sources for reviews for certain lawyers, because it isn't easy to nix bad reviews from these review platforms. What you see is what you get when it comes to these lawyers' reputations. The reviews will help you get a feel for who you might end up working with before you sign any legal documentation to retain them as your attorney. American Top Attorneys helps potential clients find the attorneys that are most likely to be able to help you with the case. Through our website, you can narrow down your options based on what services you need, and who will best be able to provide these services. The listing shows their contact information, credentials, and experience. Lastly, finding the right attorney. Finding the right attorney is essential to the success of your case. If you find yourself searching, how do I check a lawyer's reputation? We can help. We can provide you with our top-rated list of attorneys who have a good reputation. Contact American Top Attorneys today to get in touch with the right attorney for your case.